conditional box in Walnut Alpha 0, which is box number 4, which is called the voice activated lamp. Let's unbox it. As usual, you're gonna find a little story. The summary of it is that you remember the boy that shared in the hardware technology competition and also helped Amy build her desk lamp. Yay, he made it to the finalists. But now, instead of making a new thing, they just wanted to develop it or improve it. So they're making it as more technology. Instead of just doing it a desk lamp, they're gonna make it in another way, using fiber columns. Now you have little videos that will show you how to unfix your lamp and how to light or program your Al-Faris. Let's see what we will need for the voice activated lamp. So at first we need the space, and then we need some cables, a screwdriver, fiber columns, we need screws, we also need the Al-Faris 0, and we also need the Al-Faris RGB, which is called the LED light panel. We need the remote control sensor, we need the stand, and we need the remote control. Let's see how we're gonna fix it. You have a lot of videos that will tell you how. So at first you're gonna get your base and then get your Al-Faris RGB on the back, and the wire or the cable should go here, and then I'm gonna screw and come back. Okay, now after you're done screwing, you're gonna connect the cable that you connected to the Al-Faris RGB to P1 interface, and then don't forget to connect your USB cable to your Al-Faris 0. Now you're gonna get your fiber columns and connect them in here. So you're gonna take the longest one and connect it in the middle, and then get the middle and connect it here, and then connect the other middle, because there are two middle, and then you're gonna get the small and connect them. There are also two, and you're done fixing. Let's check if it works as a light before putting on sun. So at first you're gonna go and do main code start, and then you're gonna go here and do display rainbow effect. You're gonna connect, I connected that before, and then download. As you guys can see, it gave a rainbow, red, purple, blue, yellow, and green. Wow, I'm amazed. Wait, why did my lamp turn off? That's because I used too much electricity. Maybe I should use buttons to turn it on and off. But that could work. But don't you think I should do it in a smart way? Okay, when I say my voice or a sound is coming, that means it's gonna come. But how can I do that? Do you know that there's a sound sensor that's in the Al-Faris 0 that could measure sound intensity? Let's try to do it. So at first you're gonna go in the controller module and choose the main code start, and then you're gonna go and choose the display letter or number until done. But I'm not gonna do letter or number, I'm gonna do read ambient sound intensity, and then this could read the sound. Now, but this could only happen once if I don't put the forever button. If I put it, it's gonna happen forever. Now let's download. It's 0 because there is no sound. It's saying numbers because I'm talking, so that's how loud I'm talking. Ah ha ha ha. It turned 9, 7. Oh my god, that's a lot of sound. Okay, now that I checked that the sound sensor is working in the Al-Faris 0, I'm gonna be when my voice is loudly, it's gonna turn on light and measure my voice. So I'm gonna at first go to main code start, and then I'm gonna choose the if this thing is happening, which means my voice is loud. Do you hear me? If my voice is loud. So I'm gonna place it, and then I need an equation. So we're gonna choose the greater than block and put it inside. And then I'm gonna go here and then choose the read ambient sound intensity and put it in here. I'm gonna make it 6. And then if this is working, which if my voice is loud, it's gonna give out display rainbow effect. And now we need to also turn it off. So we're gonna do it for wait 2 seconds. After wait 2 seconds, it's gonna have to turn off. So we're gonna do turn off all, and then we're gonna go, but this is gonna only happen once. If I don't put the forever button, I am gonna put all in the forever button. Now we're gonna download aha ha ha. It's actually working. It turned off. It's turning on. It turned off. Aha. It worked. I'm amazed with this. Thanks, Walnut. Experiment is amazing. I can't believe this is working. Okay, but I think this could work in even more applications. For example, putting my favorite song to see the patterns of the melody here, and also giving it to my teachers to see if I have a calm class environment or a really noisy class environment. And to do that, we're gonna go to main code start, and then we're gonna go to the actuator module and do display light, but we're not gonna do numbers. We're gonna do the read sound and then intensity, and then we're gonna also, but this is gonna only be for once. We need it to be forever as usual. So we're gonna do that, and first I'm gonna try it with my favorite song. Now let me try it with my sound for the class environment. Aha ha ha ha! You're so funny! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, all of this and it could even do more? I just don't need to get my iPad, my phone, and everything just to play my favorite song. I could play it on the Al-Faris Zero by the remote controller and the remote controller sensor. So I'm gonna do, let me tell you how to do it. So you're gonna take this block and press OK, choose whatever block you want to the remote, and then you're gonna go and choose play sound randomly, play random music. Now you're gonna download. You guys can see. Oh my god, this is incredible. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win the award ceremony competition. Bye.